Imagine a world where the secret to healthier skin and hair is just a bottle away. Yes, we're talking about castor oil, a gem that's been around since the days of ancient Egypt. Here's why you should consider using castor oil before bed. Castor oil is a natural warrior against dry skin. It's rich in ricinoleic acid, which locks in moisture and promotes hydration, leaving your skin soft and supple by morning. Struggling with hair growth? Castor oil stimulates the scalp, encouraging faster and thicker hair growth. Just massage a few drops into your scalp nightly and say hello to luscious locks. And there's more. It can even enhance the thickness of your eyebrows and eyelashes. Apply a small amount with a clean brush and watch them grow fuller and stronger. So why wait? A few drops of castor oil before bed could be your new beauty ritual. Embrace this all-natural powerhouse and unlock the secret to revitalizing your skin and hair while you sleep.